Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another video. This one we're gonna focus on YouTube marketing tips, and I'm gonna be talking about how to use your YouTube channel trailer when optimizing your YouTube channel. So it's very important. This is the first thing that new visitors are going to see is they're going to see this video, and so it's going to give you the general overalization of your channel. So you can create a video specifically for um, your YouTube channel trailer, or you can use your top your best video, or the video your flagship video that gets your signups, or has your product, or gets the most views, or anything like that. So this is what's going to happen when someone clicks on this watermark here, which I did a previous video. So if you haven't seen that, you can go and check my channel, or my videos on this channel. It will even appear after this video. I have a series I'm doing on YouTube, so just click on that and you can see that video. But this is where people will end up when they click on that little watermark. And it'll bring them here, and they're going to see this video as well as be prompt to subscribe to your channel. So it's very important that it's done right. So if you're just going to do a quick welcome video, just say, hey, my name is so and so, and then talk about what your channel is going to be about. Welcome to my channel. I hope here you're going to learn the effective ways to make money online, and I'll give them a little background about you. Keep it about 2 minutes, and then prompt them to click on the link for more information. So it's real simple. Just pretend like you're talking to a friend, anything like that. Again, I have other videos that are going to focus on how to set or how to talk in your videos, what to talk about and all that, as well as a guide that will help you with that below. So feel free to click the link, snag that guide, and it'll help you with your videos and setting up your channel. So the main thing is I wanted to show you how to actually find a video, because another strategy that is good is to use your top video, the best video that you have that's getting the most views, and of course signups or to your capture page or your product you're promoting. So this video right here is my #1 video. So I found that by going to Creator Studio. So you can find that either here, over here, or by clicking up here. So just go into your Creator Studio, and then once you're in there, go into Analytics, and once you're there, you're just going to click Analytics. It's real simple. You're going to find the video that is getting you the most views, and so that's what you want people to see. Obviously, it's a popular video. People are watching it. They're clicking on the link. So that's what you want people. That's what you want to lead with. So as soon as this loads, we'll take a look at that. But it's real simple. You want to give them the first impression. So this is a training video. This shows how to get free traffic to CPA offers that are high converting. What is a low-hanging fruit CPA offers. So it's a very popular video. It's got a really good method. So people are watching it, and they're taking action on it. As you can see, it's my top video, and then I have these videos down here. So you can do you can choose any of these that are getting views. So obviously, depending on which one it is, if it's something you want to specifically promoting, like a lead magnet or anything like that, or like I mentioned before, a product, then definitely want to lead with that. So you can use that method, or you can use the simple greeting method, or you can just switch them out for every video that you release. So if you put a new video out, you can change your trailer to that. So to do that is really simple. Again, you're going to go right back into Creative Studio. So we'll go to that. We'll go to my channel. We're going to go back to your channel. And then we're just going to go right back into the Creative Studio, or Customize My Channel. Sorry, I apologize about that. We'll go to Customize My Channel, which is right there, the big blue button. And then once that loads, you're going to see an option here that says for new visitors. And all you're going to do is all you'll be doing is just clicking on the edit button. As soon as it loads, there'll be a little pencil button you're going to click on that you can use to switch out the trailer, the YouTube channel trailer. So let's try that again. It's not working. There we go. So right over here, there's the little pencil button. You're just going to click on that, and it's either going to prompt you to add trailer. If you already have a trailer, it's going to prompt you to change it or remove it. So you'll just simply go to change, and then you're going to either choose the trailer you want to use, or add a new one, and you're just going to pick through your videos. So whichever video you want that you decided to use, you're just going to simply click on it, come down to save, and you're done. So again, it's just like uploading any video. First you have to upload the video, and then you'll follow that routine to make it a channel video, and it's all set. So it's really simple, but a very powerful method, and very, very, very needed if you want to look professional in your YouTube channel. So I hope this helps. Hope you got value from this. If you did, please comment below, subscribe to my channel. Any suggestions of any type of YouTube tips that you need, what you want to learn, and don't forget to download my guide below if you haven't. And I'll talk to you soon with more videos like this. Have an awesome day.